Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. Now, it's nice to see that, other people are picking up on something I have said on this channel, and it's regarding timeframes. During COVID, there was an extension allowed from 1 year to 3 years between charging an individual and their appearance in court. Now, they extended it during the COVID pandemic because the courts were, it was difficult, let's face it, everything was slowed down. We all know why. However, back in 2023, that reduction was removed and reduced back down to 1 year. So you have exactly 1 year from the moment you're charged to appearing in court. And I said that this will be problematic. I said, now what the courts are doing is they're rushing through the more serious things, and people at the lower end, the more minor sort of offences, are basically being let off with a warning. Basically, look, we're going to do this, wag a finger at them and then send them on their way because they haven't got the time to get them into court. However, I didn't, at the time I first mentioned this, think that this would happen in this particular case. However, I have subsequently and recently pointed out that time is running out, and I said I think it's deliberate. And you can go back and watch the video. I don't know when it was. It was a few weeks ago. But now, the Murrell case is approaching that year. Now, Roddy Dunlop, KC, he's the King's Counsel, the barrister that's dealing with this, is saying that the clock is running out on Peter Murrell. And unless they get him into court very soon, they won't be able to prosecute him at all. I said this would happen. I said it's deliberate. That way they can charge him. Oh, look, we've charged someone. However, the due process couldn't go through. Oh, what a shame. And he'll walk away scot-free. So he will have been charged, but never tried, and therefore remains innocent and walking free. Now, I'm not just being cynical, am I? This is genuinely what is happening. Now, Thomas Ross, another KC, saying now that Murrell will have the defence under the European Convention on Human Rights if the trial does not start within the next month or so. He says at that point, human rights laws, the European Convention on Human Rights, will kick in and Murrell cannot, under law, be tried. If they had the evidence to charge him, they should present that evidence in court, get that court case going right now. Or it'll just be a travesty of justice yet again from the Scottish legal profession, which is doing its absolute best to protect the McMafia of the SNP. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot. Bye.